What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. At least my fig trees are looking pretty good. I'll show you. This is the fig tree that I got from my master gardener friend. So it's almost chest high right now. And hopefully you can see the figs that are on here. Basically, they start real tiny like this, and they stay at this stage for a little while. Then they kind of move to these slightly larger stage, and it'll probably be there for about a month before, instead of growing up, they kind of start coming down. That's when they should be ripe. And see, there's a few more right there. Like I said, this is the fig that I got from my master gardener friend, and this one here is the one that I started from a cutting from a guy at work. So I have some growth down at the bottom, some more growth down here. I have trimmed up some of the lower branches because the leaves were dying back. And if you see right here, we have some figs that are starting to pop out. So I will try to give you guys an update as these get closer to maturing, and kind of do like a little taste test so you guys get to hopefully experience the fig with me. If you guys have any questions about growing figs, make sure you drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.